ModelRisk is a very broadly applicable tool for risk analysis, much like Excel is. So ModelRisk is used by a wide range of disciplines, engineers, scientists, actuaries, finance, people in business development, to name just a few. Now, because of that, it has a huge number of tools that are available to it. If you go, for example, under the quick paste function in ModelRisk, you look at the distributions, you'll see what for some will be rather a bewildering array of different distributions that they might use. Well, not everybody, of course, wants to see all these distributions. They want to see the ones that are most relevant to them. So we introduced this little feature where you can change the menu ribbon and the functions that you can quickly add using the quick paste. All of the functions still remain available, but they're just not in your face. Now, how you do this is you go into the Help menu and you select User Interface Template. You look at a standard template, and at the moment I'm on the complete, so you can see everything. But for example, if you were into business investment, you select that. And what happens is it will then go and change the menu. So now you go into the menu here, ModelRisk, quick paste and distributions, and you'll find a much more limited set of distributions that are particularly useful to that particular industry or professional work. So you've got all sorts of ones that you can choose from here. And if none of those particularly suit you, or you would like to add or subtract from the list of features that are going to be shown, so for example, we might not want all of these different features here in the aggregate, that's an awful lot of different aggregate functions, then we can go into the Help feature, User Interface Template Editor, and we can pick one of these different types of standard templates, select one, and we can make a copy of it, or we can make a copy of one that we've already created. So for example, business investment, and I'm going to make a copy of the business investment. Okay, and give it a name, change your name if you want to. So my business investment, okay. And then we click into here and we can say, all right, I want to get rid of the correlations, for example, and I want to get rid of nearly all the aggregations. So I don't want the Panjo, the fast Fourier, or the multi-FFT. I just want a couple of them. You can get rid of the time series, the fitting, etc. You work your way down to the sets of tools you want. If you're not really sure, you can always click on Open Full Description, and it will click and it will open up a help file topic that you can go and read about before you add and subtract. And once you're finished, you click on OK. And now if I go into the ModelRisk, I go Help, User Interface Template, My Users, you can see User Templates, My Business Investment, and you'll find that now we see a much reduced set of icons. And when I look in, for example, the aggregate, I only had that limited set of aggregate functions available to me. I can still use the other ones and I can always switch back, but it's just a way of helping you get to the features that you most commonly use.